is Walden News with Sarah and
Carl.
The breaking story of the hour is Middle and High School Open House, the Walden Adventure, happening on November 21st. Why is everyone talking about this?
Our field reporters, Ms. Tyler and Wally the Wolverine, are at Walden School, now interviewing students to discover why they're so excited about this open house.
Ms. Tyler, can you hear us?
I can hear you. Hi, Carl, Sarah. I'm here at Walden High School, talking to our student ambassadors who can't wait to lead our open house guests on tours. What do you love most about your Walden Adventure?
I love the close relationships that I have with all of my teachers.
Levin, why are you excited about leading open house tours?
I can't wait to meet new people and show them around the high school.
Maria, what can guests look forward to at the open house?
Oh, a chance to meet our wonderful faculty, of course, and as a bonus, Steel City Pops and Salsaritas.
Well, there you have it. The word on the street is that the open house on November 21st is going to be an awesome event, offering student-led tours, free dinner from Salsaritas, a photo booth, frozen treats from Steel City Pops, a dance party with DJ DS, free Walden merch, and more. We can't wait to welcome new families and our own middle schoolers at the open house. Back to you, Sarah and Carl.
Thanks, Ms. Tyler and Wally. Stay warm out there.
Once again, our open house, the Walden Adventure, is happening on November 21st from 6 to 8 p.m.
This is Carl.
And Sarah, signing off from Walden News.